Day 2 has us traveling to Lazaro Cardenas and the Hotel Mision Santa Maria, where we'll have our welcome to Mexico dinner.
Unloading off the school bus, so just make sure kids don't jump out in front of it.
Isn't there a stop thing that comes out? Why are we passing the bus? They don't. Wow. I can't believe they don't even have that stopper thing. All this traffic should be stopped. Kids crossing. It's one thing I really noticed. Huh?
Eventually the road just...
Well, no, this dirt just keeps coming up. They keep bringing it on their tires onto the road, and it makes this constant red swirling dust. And all these buildings must get it on the buildings, get it in the buildings, you know, they're constantly sweeping out the buildings, and it's all red dust. Every car is covered in red dust.
Number 4, can you relay that we have pulled into the Pemex on your right? Pull into the Pemex gas station on the right-hand side. Credit cards are used. Right-hand turn at the Pemex.
In 3 miles, arrive at Day 2 Lazaro Cardenas on the left.
7, can you confirm when you've made the turn, please? Turn complete.
Or if the meals in the hotel. They get not only the stay overnight, but they get the meal. That might be part of the deal. Dirt. It's all dirt.
So because it's Valentine's Day, the restaurant might be a little busier tonight, so we'll kind of stay at the back end of this parking lot, closest to the beach. Roy will come and help you direct. He is outside.
All parked right on the edge of the beach. Fantastic. See the waves crashing in the background. That's a different looking sand dune. It's like you're on another planet. Surf is crashing this morning.